Nigerian chin chin is one of the most common snacks in the country, and today we're going to be making a big batch. The ingredients are displayed on the screen and you can adjust to your preference. Nigerian chin chin is basically fried dough. It's a mixture of flour, sugar, butter, eggs, milk, salt, and vanilla extract. If you want, you can add nutmeg or cinnamon. After mixing everything together, you have this consistency that you can cut up in chunky or slender pieces. When you're done cutting it, then you deep fry it. It's that crunchy, can't stop eating type of snack. You can pair this with any drink of your choice. You can also bake the dough if you do not want to fry it, but then you have to mix that with a lot of butter. So with chin chin, you want to make sure you're getting the right amount of ingredients, the right amount of sugar, the right amount of salt, the right amount of butter, the right amount of flour, especially butter. If you're going to be frying it, you want to make sure you get the right consistency and you do not put too much butter. You also want to make sure you don't put too less butter, then it becomes too hard and you can't really eat it. With these ingredients, we're able to get just the right consistency. It wasn't too hard, it wasn't too soft, it's just fried properly. You want to also make sure you're not over frying the dough because it becomes too brown. You also want to make sure you're putting the oil in the right temperature so that you are not burning your chin chin when you're supposed to be frying it. You want it to fry through. You want to take it out of the frying oil just before it gets that brown color, because it's going to get brown when you bring it out. So medium heat, let it fry through, and then put it on a piece of paper towel to drain the oil. I'm confident you'll enjoy this snack.